support system is a ticketing process to allow your users or the customers who reaches your website to create a ticket and interact with your support team to get the required answer. Firstly, I have to get into my cPanel. So this is my cPanel. For every cPanel, you can find these different options. So in that, you'll find domains section. Make sure you find the option subdomains and click on the subdomain option. My initial domain is askmetip.com and I'm going to create a subdomain with name support. A document root I'm putting as it is as public_html. Once after you give a name support, a new folder will be created with the same name under public_html. Just click on this create button. Allow some time and your folder will get created. Your subdomain support.askmetip.com got created successfully. These are the previously created subdomains. So here, this is my subdomain, which I'm going to install a support system under this domain. So this is how you have to create your domain. And you can use manage redirection options. You can remove it anyways, anytime, but make sure you save your data and you back up everything before you click on this remove option. And you can update this document root option at any time. Let's get back to the cPanel. For every cPanel, most of the users will get a software called Softwareculous, which is very reliable software to install multiple systems or multiple forums. You can install like image galleries, social networking systems, and which allows you to install different types of platforms on your domains. So just enter into this Softwareculous apps installer. So select any one of these. So you'll be entering into this option, into this page. I have multiple options here: blogs, portal, CMS, forums, and I can create any type of forum. So I'm going to create a forum under discuss.askmetip.com with my website. So I'll show you in the next video. So in the current video, I'm going to show you how to create a support system. So after all checking with these options, after all checking with the support options with different platforms, I feel that Husk is the best one. So select this option here. And all you have to do is click on this install. Select your domain which you have already created under subdomains, support.askmetip.com. And would you like to create any new directory? I'm not at all required. I can leave this protocol as it is, HTTPS, because my website supports SSL certificate. Otherwise, you can remove it anyways. Site should be Askmetip support. We are here to help you. Name it like that. Admin name, we can give whichever name you would like to. Password, any which ways you can change it whenever you want. Your real name, I want to give it as my website name, and admin email should be the same. So I would create this email later. Otherwise, you can give your Gmail ID as well. After filling these fields, look into the advanced options if it is required. Your database name would be HESC965 and table prefix should be this. And it is not the same for every database. This is the system generated name and the table prefix. It can be differed on different platforms. So don't worry about these advanced options, leave it as it is. Cascade it down, cascade it up, and click on this installation. So if you would like to notify the installation part once after it got installed, so just give your email ID here. Click on install. It would take some time in order to install every part. Alright, your software got installed successfully. Just click on this administrative URL to check your website now. This is going to be the support system of my actual domain, and people can look into the user interface and they can click on the submit a ticket. And let's create a sample ticket. So you can set a priority here, and I want a website to be hosted, and I'm giving a description. This is the sample ticket I'm going to show you how to create on the support system which we have created on the subdomain. We can attach the files whichever we want and check whether we can able to attach it or not. Once after you fill in all the fields, so click on the submit. This is going to be your ticket number. Now I'm going to show you how to log into the admin panel and check the submitted tickets by your customers. All you have to do is click on this admin panel or your domain/admin, give your username and password. Admin username is the username which you have given when you installed the supporting system. So once after you give username and password, click on login. You will be redirected to your admin panel. These are the tickets wherein the user have submitted, or if you got many tickets, so it will be displayed in different pages. All you have to do is select the priority. So if the tickets priority is high, so all the tickets which got high priority will get filtered here. And if you would like to assign the ticket to any one of your team member, you can assign it from here, and you can show the tickets which got resolved, in progress, replied, on hold, and all the ticketing process can be done from this panel. And search for the ticket numbers, ticket IDs by giving the IDs. And this is the main navigation system of your ticketing system from your admin panel. How many users you want, who are the users going to manage your admin panel? You can add the names anyhow, and you can give them whatever permissions you would like to give. What are the signatures they have given? Digital signatures can be saved here. What are the preferences you're going to give to your users or your admins, and how you're gonna set your notifications with respect to the users. So these users are nothing but your co-admins. So as of now, you will be the only sole admin, and you can add any number of admins here. The next interesting thing is categorizations. So categories, any number of categories you can create according to your business model and according to your actual KB or knowledge base. So you can create any number of categories. Coming to canned, you can create any type of response, common responses from here, and you can create any type of templates here. So canned responses are nothing but the prepared responses wherein you can give to the common users, common customers, so without typing the same email message again and again. Knowledge base is again one more interesting part for every supporting system and which is really required. You can create new article and publish inside your admin panel, wherein all the admins can take it as reference and reply to the customers according to the scripts which you prepare. There are standard scripts for every customer to customer based supporting system, so you have to create your own standard script to submit it to your co-admins. It is always a good practice to publish the articles inside your supporting system. You can create reports, so this is one of the other menu item, and create the reports as per the request and how many requests you have received for the day, how many tickets got opened for a particular day. Select the date range and just download it. This will be really helpful for you to analyze the data and to check your response rates. Tools, you can ban any type of emails, and these are what are the service messages you want to create and what are the email templates you want to create. So different types of tools are available. Just check with the tools and you'll get to know how to use them. Settings part is another important thing for every supporting system. You can set any of your password, you can change your database, and whatever settings part you would like to change at any time, you can do that from the settings page. Coming to the profile part, you can change your profile at any time. So these are your personal profile section, and this can be done by every admin by logging into their profiles. Mails would be sent in between the admin to admin. This cannot be sent externally. This is only for the internal use, and every email is a private message to the admins. And finally, you can log out from your admin panel whenever you would like to. So this is how you can manage as an admin. And now let's check the tracking ID and response to it. Will respond it as a supporting person. So how would you like to change this? I want to change it as replied, assign to, I don't want to assign to anyone. I want to give a reply. Hi there, surely we will help you on this. Please reply with all your requirements. Thanks. Support team. So in this way, you can reply to the customers, and whatever files you would like to attach to this, you can attach to this particular message, and all you have to do is submit reply. You can manage your replies anyways, and let's check this ticket number as the user. So I'm going to log out from the admin panel and get into the support back, view existing ticket. I'm looking into the ticket as the user. So this was the tracking ID, and if you have missed this, you can always check with the email and you can get the tracking ID anyways. So this was the reply from the admin where I have replied it as an admin to the request raised by the customer. So this is how you can manage your simple support system. This is really a crucial part for every business, and I suggest you to use this for any type of e-commerce websites, or to interact with your customers, or make your customers to give a feedback on your website, or raise a quotations. Suppose if you are maintaining a hosting services or a website services, web services, you can ask the customers to log into the support system and submit a ticket in terms of submitting their orders, and you can give back a replies from your admin panel by giving necessary quotations by interacting with the customer. So this can be a very simple supporting system which would be used by the beginners, and this is how you can create a subdomain and a ticketing system. If you like this video, just comment your opinion And do not forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends.